Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to send photos in a Google Drive link. Alright, so first open your preferred browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then go to google.com. Alright, so make sure you're signed into your account. Then you can go ahead and press the nine dots over here. And you can go ahead and click the icon for Google Drive and it will take you straight to Google Drive. So if you want it to be convenient and of course clean, you can go ahead and create a new folder. Let's just put shared photos for this one. Then click create. So once you've created your folder, go ahead and double click on that one. And you can go ahead and go back to new, file upload. Then select the photos that you want to share. Just wait for it to upload. So if you want to share this link to others, just go ahead and press this one and hover over to share, share again. Then you can add people individually, but it would be better to change the access to anyone with the link, copy link, and send the link to anyone you want to share the photos with.